And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, Forex traders. This is FX Passion with another recorded webinar, and you should see this webinar Wednesday. We are in Melbourne, it's 2 p.m. Singapore. Whoa, 2 p.m. or 2 a.m.? I think it's 2 a.m. everybody, 2 a.m. in Melbourne. So Singapore, it's midnight. Madrid is 6 p.m. London, England, 5 p.m. New York and Toronto, it's noon. Okay, this webinar is going to be a short one, so approximately 40 minutes, 45 minutes. Remember, this is Forex trading for beginners and we are learning about crowns, and our goal for you is to become consistently profitable. Minimum 3 months, right? Even more is possible, and you should not be allowed to trade with real money until you reach the goal. What is the goal? To become consistently profitable. Everybody, if you are winning 1 month, losing the other, you should not be allowed to trade with real money. You should show consistency of minimum 3 months before we allow you. Okay, I'm not your father, but if you were my student, I would say show me 3 months of consistent profits and explain to me when, how and why you make, and also when, how and why you lose money. And there is disclaimer: don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and the webinars are not investment or trading advice. We are going to talk about Euro JPY. The webinars are for educational purposes only. For homework, so we have homeworks now that we are learning the crown formations, or questions or additional coaching or training. Everybody, don't be shy. If you need help, contact me on Gmail, Skype or LinkedIn, okay? Or just at least send questions so we can help you. That being said, let's dive into the live market and open Euro JPY, right? Euro JPY. Now, most of you have difficulties with Euro JPY. I received some emails and you are saying, oh, I don't know what is going to be the trade decision, and the Fibonacci is not right, and I don't see the crown is strange, and I have the crown on the daily that is up, I have the reversal crown on the weekly. So the webinar is going to be about Euro JPY from scratch for the beginner trader. So we are going to check first the monthly chart, right? The monthly chart. This is your Euro JPY monthly chart. Okay, now if this is the monthly chart, we have the upper band in here and we have the lower band in here. But before this we need to check. Sometimes Dukascopy, JForex, not Dukascopy, JForex is missing data. So we're going to go on TradingView and we're going to check the bands. We want to see if the monthly bands are okay, or maybe there are some bigger bands. So www.tradingview.com, it already appeared. And some of you are asking, well, Passion, I don't receive notification. You need to go on the YouTube channel, everybody, and turn on the bell. Okay, so I'm going to show you also this. Okay, so YouTube channel, and in the meantime we are waiting for the, and my Fibonacci dog is barking. Something is happening with the Fibonaccis. Okay, chart. Well, looks like internet is slow today. Today JForex is running, but not this one, everybody. Come on. Dukascopy webinars, there you go. Dukascopy webinars. There you go. Everybody see here on the right, you need to subscribe to the channel and stop if I click in here, this is the bell you need to click on to get notification. Stop getting notified every new video. So most likely the bell is going to be like this one, so you need to click on the bell and you're going to, you see, you will get notifications. So let's go here and Euro JPY, right? Euro JPY on the monthly chart looks like we are having all the data. So the high is at 168, 168, 167, yes, it's okay. And the lower band, it's at 94, 92, 90, 92, 90, 92, okay, so 92 is the lower bell. There you go. Starting from scratch. It's not 94, but we have at 92. 92, okay. Now, what are we saying to you when the market hits the upper band and the lower band? Then the trend direction is, we're going to reverse, right? The trend direction. So the lower band, the upper band, the lower band, right? This is the bias, the long-term bias, how the currency market works. And this is the monthly chart. So, and we have here, looks like the market didn't hit the 92. Looks like the market reversed in here, right? And we are here right now. So what should be the long-term bias? Should the long-term bias go up or should the long-term bias should go down? Right? Well, according to the theory, the bias is down, everybody. The bias is down because the market didn't touch the lower band, which is at 92. Okay? If the market is going to hit the 167, then this is going to be the other area of position trade at 95. But so far this currency pair, it's supposed to go down. Okay, but it can go up, right? Because sometimes the market just finds different areas of big support and resistance. Nonetheless, we need to address what the market is doing. What is the market doing? Where is the structure? Is the market making higher highs, higher lows? Or is the market making lower lows, lower highs? Right? So, it's not that difficult, everybody. Just put your uptrend line on the chart. So, we were in an uptrend and we are in a downtrend right now. See, the market broke the uptrend line, right? And come on now. Okay, there you go. And structure is this: low, high, low. This is structure right now on the Euro JPY monthly chart, right? Nonetheless, the market broke the uptrend line. Okay, so, and the market here is making higher highs, higher lows, and again lower lows, lower highs, right? So what is the market doing? Basically is playing around. Now, just maybe we are locked in this sideways channel. This is a possibility, right? This is a possibility, and not this one. There you go. Clone. So just maybe we are locked somewhere. Could be like this. This is speculation. We don't know. We don't have the crystal ball. Maybe it's something like this, right? But we said to your homework, make a decision. Decision is that the market is making lower lows, lower highs. This is the current trend, everybody. The market is making lower lows, lower highs, right? Now, if you want Fibonacci on the chart, this is the Fibonacci. So we are in an up Fibonacci, right? Long term, we are in an up Fibonacci. and this is the down Fibonacci. So this down Fibonacci is not valid anymore because the maximum of the extension is far below the position area, right? So it's not valid anymore. And this was the previous down trend line break. So we were in a downtrend, then we were in an uptrend, then we are in a downtrend again. Okay, so it's confusing. No, it's not. Long-term Fibonacci is up. Short-term trend, call it short-term on the monthly, short-term trend is down. So this is what we are going to trade most likely if we find down Fibonacci's with the crowns. Okay, so this is the, why is that? Well, because this is the monthly chart, everybody. If this would be on the, if this Fibonacci would be on the daily, then we would be going long, right? But this is on the monthly, this is a trend. So shorting the market, we are not going against the trend. We are going, yes, against the original Fibonacci, but on the smaller time frame we are not going against the trend. Okay, what else can we do? Well, we can draw a confirmation Fibonacci, which is here, and confirmation Fibonacci. There you go. So basically, what do we have? We have a retracement on the monthly, but this most likely is going to be down Fibonacci on the daily. I don't know. We need to check. Okay. Long-term bias up, short-term bias down. Let's go on the weekly. We said we're going to start from scratch for you, because most of you are saying, oh, I don't know what to see, where to check, what to do. Okay, so upper band and lower is the lower band. Now we're going to drop the Fibonacci's on the chart, starting from the same starting point, right? Okay, and Fibonacci, this is the A, this is the B, this is the first swing, and this is the second swing. And as you can see, everybody, if you're a beginner and this is your first time here, go check the playlist on the Dukascopy webinars webpage on YouTube and watch the videos from the beginning. Start from structure and then go to trends and so on, if you want to understand the Fibonacci. So here the market hit the appropriate extension. This is the new A, but as you can see here, the market broke our up Fibonacci. So traders, yesterday we said to you, this is just to show you, okay, but we said to you that the market is going to crown when it's going to take out the A, right? So here the market took out the A, and this is the big crown. Left tip, center tip, right? The market crowned in here. Here it took out the low, and this is the fall. And this is the crown, the biggie one. Okay, but of course we are not going to trade on the weekly chart. This is just to show you that for some of you that have problems, even though you have here a smaller crown, left tip, center tip, right, and it crowned. Okay, so we're going to delete this. And let's go back. We want to make an educated decision, everybody, on our trade. So our up Fibonacci, the market broke the A. So this is the down Fibonacci. First swing, C, where is the D? This is the second swing down Fibonacci, right? And let's see what is happening. Okay, so everybody, this is our A. Not so difficult, right? This is our A. This is our B. We have a down Fibonacci, A, capital B, capital C, right? And let me see what level did the C took out. So this is the C. Yes, it took out the gray level, so the extension A, B, C, appropriate the extension is this one, right? Generally it's red, in this Fibonacci is gray, so gray goes to gray, right? So not so complicated. Now uptrend line, this was the first one. So from the monthly chart, long-term bias is up, short-term bias is down. From the weekly chart, we have a down Fibonacci with a confirmed C. The market ground in here, this fall was predictable, right? We have another counter uptrend line here, break, right? So we want to short the market so far, right? We want to short the market. If you don't understand anything, everybody, at least tell me you see lower lows, lower highs. Lower lows, lower highs. So we are in a downtrend. Even if you say, oh, I don't know Fibonacci's, I don't understand Fibonacci's, I don't like the Fibonacci's, at least tell me that we agree that we are in a downtrend. The market is making lower lows, lower highs, right? The homework was on the daily though. So homework was on the daily, right? And we learned about counter trend line breaks, counter trend line break, counter trend line break, counter trend line break. Where does the counter trend line break happens? On the smaller time frame. When does the counter trend line break happens? Extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. Where does the counter trend line break happens on the smaller time frame? Well, a picture says more than 1,000 words, so I'm drawing you the picture. Come on. So I'm drawing the picture, right? Okay, this is the weekly chart, down Fibonacci with a downtrend. C is confirmed decision to trade. We want to go short. However, the homework was on the daily. The homework was from the daily, right? Okay, now this is the daily chart. We were in a downtrend, okay, so starting from scratch, we were in an uptrend, right, Euro JPY, daily chart, until here, right, we were in an uptrend, come on, arrow, until here. So we're going to start drawing our down Fibonacci's and see if we have the same Fibonacci's on the weekly. Remember, if for any reason our Fibonacci is going to be up, what time frame controls what time frame? So A, B, correct, the weekly time frame controls the daily time frame, and this is the green second swing. Okay, let's compress the chart. So we want to see the appropriate the extension. Let me see. Green, 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 green. Where is the first low? This one. Okay, there you go. We have a new down Fibonacci with a big sideways movement, and there you go. The market just took out our A. The market just took our A in here. Everybody, if you want a lesson on Fibonacci's, please feel free to contact me or your account representative at Dukascopy and ask them. Please do a webinar on Fibonacci's. Again, so this was our new A, and this is our new AB, right? CD, but the market took out so our A, and then reversed, went up again, and okay, I'm not going to analyze all of this chunk because it's clear that the market starts to fall back down again, right? So where is the highest high? Where is the A? Where is the starting point of this downtrend? Is up here, right? So let's see, okay. Now for educational purposes we are going to go a little bit slowly, okay, on this one. So this is the first, this is the A, this is the B. Fibonacci retracement tool. And for the beginner trader that is screaming passion, go slowly, please, slow down. Yes sir, and yes ma'am. Okay, AB, where is the appropriate C? The C is up in here. It almost took out the A, but it didn't. A, B, C, and the D, the appropriate D extension, right? So, and we're going to keep track of the swings. A, B, C, gray, D. This is the first D. This is the first gray. This is the first low after the market hits the appropriate D extension level. So gray goes to gray. This is the D, right? I'm going to move my A goes to C. B goes to D, right? So come on. A goes to C, B goes to D. And you can leave your Fibonacci on the screen. So this is the new Fibonacci swing, right? A, B, C, D. This is our C, and green goes to green. Our second swing is C. This is the appropriate extension. I need to check. Yes, this is the D right now. So this low is at 13600, 136.27. So again, A goes to C, right? And B goes to the D. So A goes to C. I'm going to help myself with the horizontal lines. B goes to the D. I'm going to leave my Fibonacci's on the screen, right? A, B, C, D. Now this is our C, and green goes to green. This is our D. This was a shallow retracement. A, B, C, D, right? I'm going to leave the C and the D on the right side. Fibonacci retracement tool. A goes to C, B goes to D, right? A, B. Where is the C? This is the C. This is the highest point inside the AB boundary. After the B, let's keep track of the swing. C, green goes to green. This one, this down is the D. If I'm not mistaken, this low is at, where is the the low. This candle is 12821, so this is the D. The market didn't hit the D extension here, so again A goes to C and B goes to D, right? A goes to C, B goes to D, and we have another Fibonacci swing. Now let's see where are we right now. Hopefully. Okay, almost there, almost there. This is the C, right? Silver goes to silver, I mean gray, sorry. And this is the D. A, B, C, gray, the D must be a low, this is the low, A, B, C, D. So this is the next swing. Okay, we are almost there, everybody. Fibonacci retracement tool. We are almost there, and yes, as you can see, the market took out our A, B, this is the C, and this is the D, right? So A goes to C, this is the new A, and the market broke our down Fibonacci just in here. What we are going to do? We're going to start with the up Fibonacci, right? We need to reverse our Fibonacci's and our positions. So this is going to be the A, where is the first high? This is the B. Fibonacci retracement tool. There you go. So we are in an up Fibonacci retracement. This is the, let me see. No, this is our C. This is our C and our, okay, so this is the up Fibonacci, and let me see if the market took out. We are almost at the A. Okay, I'm going to delete this one, delete. So, I'm going to delete the first swing. Now, the Fibonacci is up, so our trading decision, according to the Fibonacci's, we want to go long, right? And this is the homework, everybody, on the daily chart. We have an up Fibonacci. The market almost took out our A. This is the area of our A, right? And look at this, everybody. Remember, these webinars are not trading or investment advice. So this was the homework. We identified an up Fibonacci, right? We have an up AB boundary. And look in here. Look in here, everybody. We have a bullish crown, or the so-called crown reversal. Left tip, center tip. And up we go, everybody. Up we go. So, Fibonacci on the crown. Euro JPY long. And look at the risk reward, everybody. If this Fibonacci is going to hold, put your stop loss below the A and take your profit to the so this is the blue, to the gray. Take your profits to the gray. So this on the daily chart, man, I'm drawing on the 4-hour chart. Now I realized. On the 4-hour chart. Okay, no problem. So you have one more. This was the Fibonacci on the 4-hour chart, everybody. On the 4-hour chart, look at this risk reward ratio. If this Fibonacci is going to hold, on the 4-hour chart we have an up Fibonacci, no problem. We have an up Fibonacci and with a bullish crown reversal, so this is the risk, this is the reward. It's a nice trade, right? Before we enter the trade, what do we need? We need a down trendline break, which it didn't happen yet. We are still in a downtrend, right? But it's going to happen if this Fibonacci is going to hold, and if this bullish crown reversal is going to hold, then gray goes to gray, it retraces until G gray is going to break. It's going to move sideways most likely, but in the end, if it's going to hold, it's going to break this downtrend line, right? So if the homework was on the 4-hour chart, the answer would be trading decision, buy or go long. Now let me check the time. Man, we are almost there. Okay, I'm going to use my chart. Just to see the daily, right? The daily. Okay, just to confirm my chart, I have an up Fibonacci on the daily. I just want to double check if the market broke my down Fibonacci. So this is the first swing and this is the second swing, and gray goes to gray, and this is the, oh, we are in a downtrend. We have a down Fibonacci also on the daily. So the weekly is down and the daily, this is the original chart. Let me check. This is up, right? Okay, the picture is clear. Not this one. The picture is clear, everybody. The picture is clear. We have an up Fibonacci on the daily, and this is the contrarian one. This is the contrarian. Okay, so we are almost out. I mean, I am almost out of time. I'm sorry, I cannot give you 1 hour today. Okay, very quickly, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, blue, green goes to green, and then was blue again, so this was the blue. Where is the C? This is the C, and the first, there you go. So this is the original Fibonacci. Oh, we have one more. Just spatially, I believe it's green goes to green. Let me check this slow. Green or blue? Green or blue? Green. So this is the up AB boundary. And as you see, this is the original Fibonacci, and the contrarian, this is the confirmed C, right? So we're going to delete, and we can draw a confirmation Fibonacci. This is what I have on my actual chart, right? So on the 4-hour chart, what did we say? Bias is up, go long after the downtrend line break. On the daily, no crown yet, right, to go long. We don't have any crowns yet. But if you want to project the crown, left tip, and this is the center tip. So in order for the market to crown on the daily chart, it should take out this high in here. Okay everybody, I hope this webinar helped you a little bit to understand how the market moves, how we analyze with the Fibonacci's, how we address the monthly, weekly, daily and the 4-hour chart, even though the 4-hour chart was not the chart of the homework. The homework was on the daily. Trading decision, go long on the 4-hour chart, go long, wait for the down trend line break first, but we have a crown and we have an up Fibonacci and the risk reward is extremely good. Okay, from the daily chart we want to go long, but we are waiting for the crown on the bigger time frame and we are waiting for the crown on the smaller time frame. And what did we say to you in one webinar? Candlestick formations on the higher time frame are nothing more than that crowns on the smaller time frame. Okay, so the trading decision and the bias is Euro JPY, go long, wait for the appropriate entry, don't enter right now, wait for the appropriate entry. That being said everybody, this is FX Passion saying to you, stay strong, okay, learn as much as possible and trade with passion. This is FX Passion signing off.